If Firefox is giving you the error opening file for writing in Windows 11, don't worry. This usually means the browser is stuck, blocked by permissions, or Windows is stopping it from updating the files it needs. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes like this. Let's jump in. First, we need to close any Firefox processes that are still running in the background. Sometimes Firefox looks closed, but the .exe file is still active, and that can block new changes from being written. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, look through the processes list and find firefox.exe. If you see more than one Firefox process, that's completely normal. Click on the Firefox process, then select End Task. This forces Firefox to fully close and clears out anything that may be locking the file. Now try launching Firefox again. If the error is still there, the next step is to run Firefox as an administrator. Windows 11 can block apps from making changes unless they have elevated permissions. To do this, find the Firefox shortcut on your desktop, or search for Firefox in the Start menu. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply, and after that click OK. This tells Windows to give Firefox higher permission when it opens, which can often solve file writing errors right away. If Firefox still won't launch properly, the next thing to check is the Firefox installation folder, Permissions. Press Windows key and E to open File Explorer. Then go to this PC, open the C drive, and then open Program Files. Inside Program and Files, find the Mozilla Firefox folder. Right-click that folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Click Edit, then select your username from the list. After that, look for Full Control and check the Allow box next to it. This gives your account permission to read, write, and modify files inside the Firefox folder. Once that's selected, click Apply, then click OK. After that, close everything and try opening Firefox again. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem, stopping stuck background processes, running Firefox as administrator, or adjusting folder permissions. If Firefox now opens normally, then the issue was likely caused by a locked file or restricted access in Windows 11. If you want to avoid this problem in the future, always make sure Firefox is fully closed before installing updates or making changes, and only change permissions when necessary. If the browser still gives you trouble after these steps, you may need to repair or reinstall Firefox, but in most cases, this method is enough to get things working again. If this video helped you fix the error opening file for writing in Windows 11, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.